All right, I want to show you another feature of the Keepa kind of program that you can use to help you find deals for your group. These are part of the paid data subscription, so you have to have that in order to get to these. So this video is about how to find lightning deals and how to find lightning deals that are current and lightning deals that are upcoming and how to kind of predict the price of what those might be. So you have your subscription, you're logged into Keepa. You want to click on this data link at the very top. And once you do that, you'll click on the product finder. And this is where you can sort and really narrow down the search results to the items with the characteristics you're looking for. So I want to show you how to find lightning deals. So you scroll down to see lightning deals right here. And let's say I would like to find the current lightning deals anywhere between $5 and $50 that are happening right now. And right now on Amazon, there are 45,861 of those deals occurring right now. Okay, way too many to sort through, but my niche that I usually post my deals in is going to be tools and home improvement. So I'm going to choose that as my category down here. So now, there we go. I dropped down to 670, much more manageable. But I want to fine tune that even more, and I'm going to keep scrolling down till I find the options for rating, and it's going to be right here. So my rating is I want anything, let's see, above 4.5. All right, I have 371, that's 4.5 and up. And my review count is I'm looking for anything that has more than 100 reviews, because that tells me that at 100 reviews, it has sold about 4,000 units. So that helps me kind of get a good gauge, especially since I picked 4.5. And I'm gonna go and stop there and let's hit find results. All right, so here's where I can sort through and I can say, okay, the current price is $14.99 on whatever this light is here. It has a 4.8 rating, but the lightning deal that's happening right now is $8.79. So I want to sort, and and then I will go through and I'm going to kind of do a comparison of the current buy box price and the lightning deal price. And I'll show you how this works. So let's look at this lock. This lock is lightning deal for $6.79, regular price $7.99, has good ratings. I'm going to open this up. And here I go. So this one shows me the price history. It shows me all the lightning deals. Looks like this seller has lightning deals pretty frequently. I'm going to click on Amazon and it will pop up and show me that. There we go, $6.79. It's on a lightning deal right there when it ends. And that could be, if I wanted to post this, that would be something that I could send to my group. So that's an easy way to find lightning deals. Now, what about deals that are coming up? So same thing. Let's go back to Keepa. Okay. Let's go ahead and open the data tab, product finder. All right. And this is kind of a little bit of a two-step process here. So lightning deals, I want upcoming deals only. Okay. So I can't select a price because it's not going to give me a price because it's not actually occurring now, so that the seller could change their price. So they're not going to let you sort by price. But what I still can do is I can say there's 2,449 upcoming lightning deals. I'm going to come down and I'm going to sort by the category. Let's do sports and outdoor. There's 115 coming up, and I'm still going to sort by 4 stars and up, or 4.5 up. Let's see what I get. So I'm going to select 4.5, and I have 70 products. Okay, there we go. Yeah, and you can do anything you want here, but this is just shows you the feature of trying to find lightning deals. I'm going to hit find products. All right, now this is good. Okay, so we have our results. There's 58. If you look down in the corner down here, there's 58 items that are coming up on a lightning deal with a sort that I had. But it's not going to give you a price. It just is going to give you a check. Now, let's say I want to know how much this backpack is going to be. Well, if the seller has been on Amazon a while, they will probably have run a lightning deal already. Okay, so that they have. So this little circle represents a lightning deal. Let me zoom in here. Okay. All right, so they last ran a lightning deal January 10th and 11th, I believe. Okay. And so their buy box price was $39. Their lightning deal price was $31.99. Chances are, if I go to the whole year, yeah, it looks like their lightning deal price is always about well, about $8 less. So here's $31.99. It's a safe predictor that this will be on a lightning deal for $31.99 within the next 24 hours. So I hit track product, I choose start tracking, and it will notify me when the lightning deal has begun. It will notify me when it has been 24 hours before it's going to go. It'll send me a notification in my email, and then I can go through and it will tell me. In fact, I can show that to you. Let's see here. I'll show you what that email looks like. It will show me exactly what the deal will be. So let's go into Keepa. Okay, here we go. Our upcoming lightning deal right there. So this is a air compressor. It tells me when the deal will start. It's in 18 hours and 52 minutes, which is 10:30 Eastern time tomorrow morning. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and go to this link. And right now it's $149.99. I could look at the price history with the Keepa plugin, and I can see that the lightning deal price is 130 or 127. 127.49 and the buy box price is 149.99. So fairly safely, I could probably assume that when this thing goes on lightning deal tomorrow morning at 10:30, it will be about $127, and I can use that to guide my decision making. So, all right, I hope that's helpful for you guys and finding lightning deals using the Keeper program.